turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. To extend the life of your bulbs, we advise wearing Nitrile gloves, which combine the dexterity of latex with the resistance of vinyl. This will help avoid the fine layer of grease and dust that is left behind by your fingers on the bulbs, which can lead to localized overheating and could make them explode. To replace the reverse lights, you must remove the plastic holder located inside the tailgate. To do this, take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screw that is located on the handle. Then, pull on the edge of the holder to unclip it. You can now remove it. You should then have access to the two bulbs in the reversing lights. Remove the power connector by pulling on it. Turn the bulb block anti-clockwise and extract it. To remove the bulb, pull upwards and turn it a quarter turn anti-clockwise. Take the new bulb, and assemble it by doing the operation in reverse order. Put the bulb block back in the light case and pivot it clockwise to lock it in place. Clip the electrical connector back in. Put the plastic holder back by pushing on the edge to properly fix it in place. Screw the fixing screw To remove the light box on the car body, you must remove the two screws that are located on the tailgate joint. To do this, use a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket. Extract the light block, pivoting it upwards, then pulling it towards you. Remove the connector from the connector board, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. To access the bulbs, separate the two plastic tabs on the connector board located on the upper and lower extremities of the lights. The indicator light bulb can be removed by pushing on it and making a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Carefully put the connector board in place, then push it down so that the tabs clip it in. Reconnect the connector. Then fix the block in place by turning the screws. Operation completed.